Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and today we got Huawei P20 Pro smartphone with us, and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We are going to have a look on the device, its features, functionality, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. First of all, let's have a look on the retail box. As you can see on the front side, we got Huawei logo. There is Leica branding and it says triple camera because Huawei P10 Pro comes with triple camera setup and P20 comes with dual camera setup. So that's why it's clearly mentioned that P10 Pro got triple camera and P10 Pro, Huawei P10 Pro. Here we got some information that this is P20 Pro. The device we got inside is purple, 128GB internal storage and 6GB of RAM we got. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we go. Here is our Huawei P20 Pro smartphone in purple. As you can see, it's really very reflective and the color is changing as well. We will have a look on it later. So here is the SIM card tray, ejector pin, and inside there's nothing. Some user manuals were supposed to be inside, but there's nothing, and I guess the case is missing from here as well. I'm not sure about the case though, but of course user manuals are not here. But when you're going to buy the device from the market, you will have all of this stuff inside. It's just a review unit. And here we got the Huawei supercharger. Then there is the USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C earphones, and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. So these are the content we got inside. Hopefully in the final retail box you will get more stuff inside like user manuals and maybe a case, but right now this is what we got inside. So let's switch on the device and let's have a look on it. And while it's booting up for the first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs. That it comes with 6.1-inch OLED Full HD Plus screen, IP67 water resistance, Green 970 processor, Mali G72 GPU, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and there is triple camera setup on the back. There is 40MP RGB camera, 20 megapixel monochrome camera, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. And there is a new set of laser autofocus module used as well for better focusing. So now I'm going to skip lots of steps to reach the home screen. And here we go. So this is our Huawei P20 Pro. As you can see, there is a notch on the screen, but this notch is different compared to other devices because the whole notch is utilized for showing notification, as you can see here. And at the bottom what we got is a fingerprint scanner. There is a huge 6.1-inch Full HD Plus screen. The camera module, the front-facing camera module, is provided in the center of the notch, as you can see here, along with the sensors. And there is on-screen navigation keys. On the right-hand side, what we got is the power key and volume rockers. On the left-hand side, there is SIM card tray slot. On the back, as we have seen already, there is triple camera setup along with the LED flash. On the top, what we got is IR blaster and a microphone. At the bottom, there is a pair of speaker grills and USB Type-C port. So this is what we got. The device is pretty thin. It's less than 8mm thin, and it comes with 4000 mAh battery. So this is all about the hardware specs. Now let's have a look on the device itself. So if you go to the settings and then go to the system, and after that to the about phone section, here you will find more information that it comes with Android 8.1. So Huawei P20 Pro is one of the first devices to get Android 8.1, and it also comes with Emotion UI 8.1 as well. CPU used is Green 970, 6GB of RAM, 128GB internal storage, out of which 115GB is available and free for the user. And here you can see that out of 6GB, 3.87GB RAM is free. So nearly 2.1 GB RAM is consumed right after opening the device for the first time. when there is no application is running in the background. And these are the content we got. Here is phone manager, themes, music, videos, health, gallery, all of the usual stuff, Google folder application. And then there is app gallery by Huawei, tips. Under the tools folder you will get lots of nice and interesting applications like wallet, weather calculator, sound recorder, torch, smart controller, that's the application to control your iron blaster. And then there is backup phone clone, AI powered Microsoft translator, and all of the usual stuff. There is Facebook, top apps folder is there as well. Now let's have a look on the camera application, because this is one of the most highlighted feature of this device. So here we go. I'm just going to take a regular picture in full auto mode. So let's see how good it is. Okay, so it looks pretty good. You can see that the Huawei text, this part is in focus. This is a bit away because I was focusing from very close distance. This Leica branding is also very blurry because this part is in the focus. So you can see that the macro mode was enabled by itself. And if you have a look on the various modes available, there is photo, video, pro mode is there as well. Of course there will be some enhancement compared to previous Huawei smartphones. There is portrait mode with portrait feature with beautification. There is night mode where you can select the shutter speed and ISO. And then there is aperture. If you go to the more section here, you will find lots of interesting camera modes. There is slow motion, panorama, monochrome. Under monochrome, once again you will find there is lots of dedicated options provided like aperture, portrait, pro mode is there as well. And Huawei P20 Pro is capable of recording 960 fps slow motion video. So if you go to the slow motion, here you can see that slow motion lets you record slow motion videos. Super slow motion lets you record short videos at 32 times slow motion, that's 960 fps. So this is also available. You can see here it is showing 960 fps, and if you tap here you can even select it to 120 fps or 240 fps or 960 fps. So there is variation available as well. And then there is lots of options available in settings. We will have a look on all of them in our detailed camera review, but the first impression of the camera of Huawei P20 Pro is really good. The zoom is really fast. It goes as high as 3x optical zoom. Talking about the design of the device, it comes with Huawei full view display, so the screen to body ratio is really good. There is a notch provided as well. Lots of people do not like the notch, but in the case of Huawei P20 or P20 Pro, the notch is utilized very well because all of the area on the notch is going to show you the notification and all of the user information. So this part is not wasted and very well utilized. Talking about the screen, the display quality is really good. It's Full HD Plus resolution on 6.1 inch screen, and it's an OLED display, so the visual experience will be really nice. And the Emotion UI looks really neat and smooth. It's one of the best UI. It comes with lots of interesting features. If you go to the settings, you will have a look on all of these. We have already covered most of them in our previous videos. So the UI is really good, the screen is good. The design of the device is also very nice, especially the back. As you can see, the back is very reflective, and it changes the color a bit when we are moving the device at different angles. So this is really nice and it improves the beauty of the device. On the sides you can see there is chrome used all over the edges, and the metallic finish is really good. The device is pretty lightweight and it feels so good in hand. Even though it comes with huge 6.1 inch screen, it doesn't look so big in hand and you can use it easily. So the design of Huawei P20 Pro is good. So overall, the first impression of Huawei P20 Pro is really good. The screen is big, bright and beautiful. The camera performance is really good. It comes with lots of nice new features and hardware as well. We will have a look on it later in our detailed review. The design of the device is good. It's pretty slim and the back panel is especially really nice and so reflective. So in the first glance, Huawei P20 Pro is a great flagship device, but we will do our detailed review of the device in our later videos like benchmarking test, gaming test, camera review and all of the usual review stuff. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.